I biscuit.
What can I do for you, sir? And brush?
Don't reach for anything. There's none back there.
Hello, it's me.
I really hate when people who don't like cats are like, I don't like cats because they're assholes. Bro, that's literally like more than half the fun of owning a cat. Tell me what could be funnier on this planet than a helpless, oversized cotton ball living in your home, needing you to live and to untangle it from the weirdest messes. And this little bumbling creature still thinks that it is the boss. If you say you don't like cats because cats are assholes, I like automatically know you don't have a good sense of humor. Because cats are peak comedy. Like, look at this. Imagine this lives in your home and thinks that it's the boss of you.
creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done, she is a killer.
Hell nah. But you got no confidence like me. And they wanna run around.
Come on. Oh my god.
What are you doing? You can't come. I love you. I'm sorry. T. Mom, shh.
Daijoubu.
It's paid for by MasterCard. Hey, my man, leave you for a minute. Yes, sir. Awesome. Well, I'm finished, coach. Very nice, man. What's the best part of your job?
Best part of my job is definitely connecting with my community and helping them achieve the best parts of themselves.
I love that. Is there any way you can show me around?
Sure, follow me.
TCS New York City Miracle.
Let's say one put dick like that. Just put leg.